Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, I have a first for the channel. For today's unboxing, I purchased this watch from AliExpress and I got it during their 11/11 sale. Now, you can still pick this watch up. I think this watch has been around for quite some time, but it looked kind of cool. It looked a little different than the other watches that I had, so I thought I'd pick it up. I bought this watch when it was roughly $36. Now you can pick them up for roughly $50. And we're going to unbox it today, but first, let's get a wrist check out of the way. I am wearing my Seiko SKX 007 that I picked up from eBay. This has been one of the most comfortable watch straps that I have had, and the watch just looks really, really cool. I really like it. So, with the wrist check out of the way, let's reveal this watch from Tandorio. Now this watch is the Tandorio 39mm NH35A automatic pilot men's watch. And inside the box we have an instruction manual, which these instructions kind of cover all of their watches, but you get some pretty cool pictures in there as well. You have a retail tag, and we have the watch encased in a plastic bag. Now, like I said before, this watch has the NH35A movement in it, which is an automatic movement. And one thing that this is missing, that most of the watches that I enjoy wearing has, is a date indicator. There is no date indicator on this watch. We have a screw down crown, which is not signed. You can wind this watch manually or give it a few shakes and it will wind itself. The hands move smooth and freely. Now I picked this up because I just kind of like the way the dial looks. It's a very vintage look to it. And I really like this strap as well. The strap does seem a bit thick here, but I don't think it's going to be a problem once you wear the strap for a couple of times here. I've got a 7.5-inch wrist, and this seems to fit perfectly. Now, I've never put this on, so it's a little tough. The leather's a little tough, but look at that. It's a good size. It's a nice classic looking fit. This does have sapphire glass on it, and it's got some pretty strong lume initially. I haven't done a lume test because, as you see, I just unboxed the watch. But that's not a bad looking watch at all. Like I said, right now it's on a super deal. They claim it to be a $122 watch US, and you can get them for $50 and some change now US. You have several different variants of it. Some of them are branded on the case, some of them are not. We have a closed case back, so no displaying of the movement. But you can see it's all stainless steel, sapphire crystal, 200 meters of water resistance. Not too bad. So tell me what you think about this watch just on first impressions. Do you like the way it looks? I kind of dig the vintage aesthetic of the watch. Would you pay $50 for this watch? Let me know in the comments down below. I just wanted to show you guys what I purchased from the AliExpress November 11th sale. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. My name is Bryant. This is the Last Stop Watch channel. Have a good day.